Good evening, children. Beta, in last period we have completed till page number 186, 187, half of the part of 187 also. Now today we are going to start story problems. That is the last topic of your this year's syllabus. Okay. See that beta, first question example is given to you. Ajay had 300 in his pocket. 300 rupees he has having in his pocket. When he went to the shop, he bought a cap for rupees 80, है ना, near about 80, and a purse for rupees 125.50. How much money he is left with him? So first of all, what you will do beta, you just add what he purchased. The amount for the purchase thing means cap for 80 and purse for this. So total cost of these two things is 200.25. Now he is having 300. From 300 subtract this, that much of amount will be left in his pocket. So see that how you will do. This subtraction is not given here. So what you will, how you will do, just see 300. I am doing here 300.00 because after decimal nothing is there. So 206.25. Subtract this, that will be your answer. Okay, so see that beta here, from this 3 you will take borrow here, it will become beta 10, this will be 9, this will also be 9, and this will also be 9, and here it will be beta 2. Okay, now see that 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, here 9 minus 6, 3, 9, okay, and 2 minus 2, 0. So how much amount left with him beta? 93.75, and this will be your answer. Okay, now see that question number next. Vinita bought 3 pens, each costing 12. Okay, so 3 pens is equal to 3 into 12. 12 3 ja beta 36. No, I told you to memorize the table, so you should remember them. 36 rupees for pens. 5 pencils, each costing 5. One pencil is of 5 rupees. So one pencil is 5 rupees. The cost of 5 pencils beta, 5 pencils. So write this 5 first, and cost of one pencil is how much? Again 5. So 5 5 ja 25 rupees. Okay, rupees 25. What was the total amount she paid to the shopkeeper? Now add these two and write here, and total cost is equal to, total cost is equal to, okay. So it will be beta 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, or 4 plus 2, 6, rupees 61, and that will be your answer. Okay, so in this way you have to do these story problems. Now see that one more question. Betty had 75 in her pocket. Okay, and she spent 128.50 on fruits. See that how much she is spending on fruits, right? Fruits is equal to beta how much? 128.50. Okay, fruits is equal to 128.50 on fruits. 55.75 on vegetables. Vegetables is equal to, vegetables is equal to beta 55.75. okay, now add them. Total cost how much they are, he is spending 5, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 184.25. okay, now he is having how much amount? 750 in his pocket. See that na, 750 he is having in his pocket. So what you will write beta? Amount left is equal to, amount left is equal to 700 minus how much? This, whatever he has spent, 184.25. So it will be beta 700.00 minus 184.25. So it will be, again, now see that. Okay, carry, take, borrow from here. It will become 10 beta. This will 9. Again this will 9. It will also 9, and this has 6. Okay. Now 10 minus 5 beta, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. Or 6 minus 1, 5. 515.75, and this will be the amount left with him. Now see that it was C part of the question. Now come to the D part. Okay. In front of you I am doing D part. Be very careful about that, है ना, while you will write. Piyush bought, see that now. Piyush bought a suitcase for rupees 1299. He gave rupees 1500 to the shopkeeper. How much money did the shopkeeper return to him? Let's see बेटा. Suitcase जो है वो केवल 1299 का है, and Piyush has given more amount to the shopkeeper. So shopkeeper will return him. Okay. So see that what you will do, amount returned is equal to 1500 minus 1299. Okay. So subtract this 1500 minus 1299 in this way. Minus. Here from 0, 9 cannot be subtracted. Take, borrow here 10. Okay. Here this will also become 9. It will be 4, and this has 1. 10 minus 9 beta, 1. Here 9 minus 9, 0. Here 4 minus 2, 2. How much amount he will return to the Piyush? It is rupees 201. Okay. And this will be your answer. So see that how simply you can do these questions beta. Okay. Now come to the E part. E part I am doing. Kim bought 3 bottles cold drinks, each costing 22.50. What is the total cost? One bottle cost rupees 22.50. So what will be the cost of 3 bottles? See that how you will do. Cost of one bottle is equal to beta rupees 22.50. So write here cost of 3 bottles is equal to 22.50 multiplied by 3. Okay. 22.50 multiplied by 3. Now multiply 22.50 into 3. Okay. 3 0 0, 3 5 ja 15, carry 1, 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7, or 3 2 ja 6 and put decimal after 2 digit 1 2 1 2, 67 rupees 67.50. Okay. Now come to the F part. What is that? Abhijay bought 4 stickers for rupees 0.85 each. One sticker cost is this, and he has bought 4 sticker. So for 4 he has to pay 4 more amount for that. Okay. And 6 sketch pens for 12 each. How much money did he spend? See that beta how you will do this question. Cost of one sticker is how much? 0.85. So what you will do? Cost of how many sticker he has purchased? 4. So cost of 4 stickers is equal to beta 0.85 into 4. Okay. We will multiply this first. Multiply now. 0.85 into, in rough part we are going to multiply, just wait. Here 0.85 into 4. Okay beta, 4 5 ja 20, carry 2, 4 8 ja 32 और प्लस 2 36 है ना, 4 8 जा 32 और प्लस 2 36 और 4 0 0. After 2 digits decimal is there, so 1 2 count from here. So how much amount he will pay? Rupees 3.60 for 4 stickers. And still one more thing, and 6 sketch pen for 12 each. One sketch pen cost rupees 12. Okay, now write that cost of one sketch pen, one sketch pen is how much beta? Rupees 6, rupees 12, sorry. How much? Cost of one sketch pen is beta rupees 12. Okay, so cost of how many sketch pen? 12 sketch pens is equal to 12 into 6, because how many sketch pens he is taking? 6 है ना. So cost of, here I will write 6 sketch pen, by mistake I have written 12. Cost of 6 sketch pen. Now multiply this, because you don't know the table of 12, otherwise by the table of 12 we can directly 12 6 ja 72 है ना, 72, or otherwise 6 2 ja 12, carry 1, 6 1 ja 6 and 1 7. In this way you can multiply. Now the total he has how much amount paid is equal to how much beta? 3.60 or plus how much? 72 plus 72.00. In this way you will add it now. Add them now. 6, 3 plus 2 5 or 7. 70 rupees 75.60, and this will be your answer. Okay, see them now how we have done. Okay, now see that beta, question number G. On Anu's birthday she received she received rupees 250 from her father. Okay, from father how much amount she is receiving beta? 250, and 300 from her grandmother and 500 from her grandfather. How much money did she received? How we will do this question? See that now in your book space is not there, so I am going to do this question on your on the notebook now. Okay, so you can see it from here and complete your copies also. See that from mother gave her how much amount? Mother has given her rupees 250. Okay, and father, grandfather, not father, first grandfather has given grandmother. Again I am doing, just see that. Mother has given how much beta? Mother has given her, mother is equal to rupees 250. Father, previously I was doing correct. Father has given her rupees 300. Okay, father has given her rupees 300, and grandmother 500. 250 from mother, received 250 from her father, 300 from her grandmother. It is not grandfather. Just see that how much amount from father, not mother. Father, she received rupees 250. From grandmother, she received rupees 300, and from grandfather she received rupees 500. We have to calculate that total how much amount she has received from all of them. So add this now. Okay, 0, add them. Here only 5 will come. 5 plus 3 8, or 8 plus 2 10. Rupees 1050 she received from all of them. This is your G part of the question. Okay, now we are going to do H part. See that what is, I am going to show you the H part of the question now. Okay, Vikram spent rupees this on his mobile phone in 2 months. In the first month he spent rupees 225. That how much did he spend in the second month? Okay, how you will do this question? It's just simple. Total amount spent is equal to total amount spent is equal to beta 540.25. okay, 540.25. First month spent is equal to how much? 225.00. So we have to find how much he spent in the second month. For second month, spent is equal to subtract from the total amount he spent it from the total amount the amount of the first month. Okay, whatever amount he spent in the first month. 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 0 2. Here from 0 5 cannot be subtracted, so take borrow here. It will become beta 10. This will be 3 now. 10 minus 5 5, 3 minus 2 1, and 5 minus 2 3. Rupees 315, okay, 0.25 he has spent on the second month, and this will be your answer. Okay, now come to the this one. Amit bought 2 pairs of socks for rupees this. If one pair of sock cost him this, what is the cost of other pair? Okay, see that Amit bought 2 pairs of socks. 2 pairs कितने के लिए उसने 2 pairs? rupees 315.75. If one pair sock cost him this, socks cost him this, so you just from this one you subtract this one, you will get the cost of the other pair, है ना? Now see that how we will do. Total cost of socks is equal to beta 315.75. Cost of one pair is equal to how much beta? 125.50. So write here under it cost of second pair or other pair. Cost of other pair is equal to, from this subtract this one. Okay, so 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 beta 2, 5 minus 5 0. From 1 2 cannot be subtracted, so take borrow from here, it will become 11 and this will be as 2. So 11 minus 2 beta 9, and 2 minus 1 1. So this will be the cost of second pair. Okay, so in this way you will do. And now come to the last part of the question. And what is that? That part I am doing here in front of the book. Okay, because for this question we are having a space here. See that now. Rahul had 200 in his pocket. He bought 4 chocolates each for rupees this. What is the total cost of the chocolates? After paying the shopkeeper, what amount is left with Rahul? Okay, now see that beta. Total amount he is having how much? 200. Okay, total amount is he is having 200. That we will do. So first of all, see that cost of one chocolate is equal to cost of one chocolate is equal to how much beta? 12.50. Okay, 12.50. So cost of 4 chocolate, how many he has taken? 4 chocolates is equal to 12.50 multiplied by 4. Okay, because for 4 chocolate he has to pay more. 4 0 0, 4 5 ja 20, carry 2. Okay, 4 2 ja 8 or 2 10, carry 1. 4 1 ja 4 or 1 5. Okay, put 1 2 from left side, put decimal, so this will be the cost of 4 chocolates. Okay, and total after he is having total amount is how much? 200. So amount left is equal to 200.00 or minus beta 50.00. So you subtract that, how much shopkeeper will return him. So 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0, here from 0 and 0, and here from 0 5 cannot be subtract, so take borrow here, it will be 10 beta. 10 minus 5 5, and here it will remain 1. Okay, and it will be 150 rupees will be left with him. Okay, so in this way beta, your portion for this year has completed. Till here it will come in your exam. Okay, till here it will come in your exam. So complete up to there. Thank you and have a good day to all of you.